the water security in Egypt is strongly related to the water security of the whole basin. Egypt depends on how the water system of the whole Nile is being managed. Egypt needs a stable boundary condition of the amount of water that becomes available at Aswan. And that stable boundary condition will only be achieved if all countries have achieved water security to some level. And they have to do that for each country by themselves by taking into account the water security of other countries. So it is needed to have a whole basin approach. And that's where we have the Nile Basin Initiative already. They can play a major role in it. But unfortunately, the Nile Basin Initiative is hampered by a lack of political will of some countries to discuss and compromise on issues. The present issue, for example, on the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance is an example of where its political will is missing. But once Egypt can be assured of this stable boundary condition, they can start achieving water security by in particular adjusting their agricultural practices. Egypt has to reduce its dependency on Nile water for agriculture. Population is growing and they have to find another way to get food security. That is, however, at the long term. At the short term, Egypt has to continue to increase its efficiency of how it manages its system, its water system. More crop per drop, or actually much better, more value per drop. Value in terms of Egyptian pound, value in terms of benefits for the Egyptian country.